Hey, my chickadees. Excuse me. Welcome back to the Back 40. All right, it is our Margaret Miller Collage Weekly Challenge, and this one is for week number 16. Week 16 was a playing card either side, cursive writing, an image with 2 shades of green, and something representing aviation, a piece of a restaurant menu, and the bonus is a star. Now, I did not do my cursive writing. We're going to do some green. And I've got my glass collage pen and my green ink, Indian ink. Look, I'm having to concentrate. I can't talk right at the same time. Oh my God. All right. There we go. I forgot that, so we did it. And I put Enjoy Life on there in cursive writing. Okay. That's all done now. All right. So, aviation. I put the sky up here, and I put the China Blossom menu on the side. My playing card, you got to have wine with Chinese food, so I did the wine recipe playing card. And then I put the window here, and it has the different shades of green and the flowers. And then, I put the chair here up under the window so you can sit and eat your Chinese food, look out the window and see the airplane, because we enjoying life, and there's nothing better than China Blossom teriyaki. And that is our week 16 all done in the bag. Look at that, y'all. Okay, y'all have a good one. See you next time. Bye.